The United States of America is the greatest nation on earth. Mount Rushmore is a monument to the great American presidents who rose to defend our nation in time of crisis. And as we've honored these great Americans from our history, it's now time to add a fifth American president to this edifice, undoubtedly the greatest American of all time, Al Gore. Although Al Gore, elected as America's 43rd president in the year 2000, did not actually serve in the White House, he provided even greater leadership by warning us about the peril we face from man-made greenhouse gas emissions. He merits the praise and thanks of all thinking, caring Americans who are concerned about the future. Yes, Al Gore's film, An Inconvenient Truth, showed us the catastrophes that await if we don't act immediately to address the issue of global warming. The Midwest of the U.S. will still be amber, but not because of waves of grain. New York will need yet another federal bailout. Property values in Florida will plunge to the depths. Washington, D.C. will be a brutal, primitive jungle where vicious primates contend for power and primacy. Okay, so some things won't change that much. But polar bears' evolution will be hyper-accelerated, and the deceptively cunning creatures will start with peaceful requests for help. But soon they'll try to take over America's nuclear submarines, becoming a national security threat even more dangerous than Al-Qaeda. Although former Alaskan governors will be promoting the state's new beachfront resort industry, and a few things might be better when wetter from global warming. However, Iceland may no longer have ice, and that wouldn't be nice, and Greenland might actually be green. That's something obscene. Yes, the future looks grim. Our beautiful world is on the brink of being transformed into a frightening science fiction nightmare. So we thank Al Gore, the greatest American who ever lived, for bravely showing us an inconvenient truth, that our planet is on the brink of calamitous disaster. However, strangely enough, there exists an even more inconvenient truth, a really, really inconvenient truth that we'll examine in this documentary.